In this video, we will see what is the for each method of array and how we can use it in order to iterate the all element of the array. Let us see with the simple example. You can see the values are the current value, that is the iterated value of the array element, and the current index and the array as a whole, and you can do whatever you want. Let us try to run this in browser. So we have not defined on document dot get element by id, that is my div inner html equals to text. Now let's see. So these are the value that we have given inside this array. Now if I am giving like something like and I am adding now let's see. So these are coming bullet pointers. So basically the for each loop is to make the iteration from each and every element available in the array, and you can also pass the custom array the custom function inside it. Let us suppose we have this particular function outside of it over here, and we are giving some name render, and now I am passing this function over here. Still it is the same output. So in this example we have seen that for each method calls the function each and every time for each and every element. If we have 10 values, right now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 values, then this particular function has been called 7 times, and every function takes value, index and array. Value is nothing but the item value, and index is the item index, array is the original array. And you can do whatever you want with these 3 values over here. Either you can render, or you can perform any mathematical calculation or any other operation. That's all. Thank you so much.